everyone, this is Librarian Maggie back with another fun craft for you for February. Today we're going to make mini cupcakes. What you're going to need is a little styrofoam ball and foil cupcake wrapper. These can be any size, however small or large you want to make them. Just make sure that the your styrofoam ball fits your wrapper. You're also going to need some tacky glue, some glitter. I'm using this pretty white color. And if you have any accents you want to use too, I'm actually going to use the heart off of this on the top of our cupcake. And you'll need some hot glue. So I've got mine plugged in already, so if you want to go ahead and do that. So that's actually the first thing that we're going to do is glue our cupcake into here. It's really simple. It just makes a fun decoration. And if you want later, you can also turn it into an ornament if you want to add a string to it. So what I'm going to do first is put some hot glue in my wrapper here. Make sure our little styrofoam ball sticks nicely. Just, as always, be careful with your hot glue. I'm going to put just a little more down the side here. I kind of missed that. Okay, so we've got our little cupcake made up. And now for this next step, you're definitely going to want to have out, I'm going to use a paper towel, napkin, something to keep your workspace clean since we're going to use the glitter now. You cannot use hot glue for this. It's not going to work well. You are definitely going to want the tacky glue. Tacky glue, Elmer's glue, just not hot glue. And you want to get as much coverage on here as you can. Don't be afraid to get messy and spread it around with your fingers a little bit. If you have a brush, you can do that too. I'm just going to use my finger. So now that you've got your styrofoam ball covered in glue, we are going to use our glitter now. You can use any color. I'm going to use white so my little heart shows up. And you're just going to shake it all over till it's nice and covered. You are going to have excess, of course, but just make sure your whole cupcake is nice and covered. Don't really want to see any plain glue sticking out. Okay, so now we are going to let this dry for a while. And then we'll come back and add our little heart to it. All right, we are back with our dried little cupcake. And I am just gonna remove this heart off this little felty that I have. You can decorate your cupcake any way you want. You can put just one little red gem or something on the top to look like a cherry. You can put hearts all over it. You can decorate this however you like. I'm just going to use this one small little guy. And that's it. Now your little cupcake is all done. You can display it however you like. Add a string to make it an ornament for the holidays next year. So I hope you enjoyed this quick craft. There is lots more to come, and if you make one, as always, send us a picture. Let us know how it came out if you liked it, and I will see you in our next video.